Well, good day everybody. This is Freestyle Farmer. Just wanted to bring you an idea, a concept, if you will, for homesteading and water, potable water. Now, what do we have here? For $279, we have, and this is at Home Depot. I'll get a little closer to that. There's the model number and the cost. Excuse me. So what we have here is a 70 pint dehumidifier, okay? Now, keep in mind, we're talking about making water that you can use. This will be essentially distilled water, if I recall. But what it does is makes 70 pints a day. So 70 pints a day is like 8 gallons of water that this thing will make if you have no other source of water. And it is in a 24-hour period. Now, will this run on solar? Yes, it will. It's 115 volts at 7.2 amps. Okay, here, let me turn this around and get to the back of it for you. Hold on. Okay, here you go. It is 70 pints in 24 hours. 115 volts, 7.2 amps. That works out to 828 watts of solar power, okay? So if you have this unit here, oh, by the way, while I've got it on its side, you can see in there it's got a little place to put a hose that you can actually pump out the tank if you want to. And this little piece right here, if you put a 1/4-inch line into it and then into another container, it will just drain it right out into that container as it runs all day. So what you have here is a way to make water that is, you know, will work on solar. You're obviously going to have a battery bank that will be able to handle that. But during the day, it's going to make its own. The solar should cover the use of that. Now, there's different models available, but as I said, you know, some are 50 pints, some are 65s and 70s, and there's all different kinds here. But what I would do, if it was me, is I'd get the 70. This is a 7.2, this particular model, lowest amperage as possible. You know, you're going to have a solar system that's going to run the house, and you're looking at 828 watts. I'd have to do the calculations off the top of my head. I just don't have it, but I can tell you that if your battery bank's large enough, that thing will make water all day and all night. And at 8 gallons a day, it won't take too long before you'd have a surplus if you're, you know, miserly on your water consumption. This is just a thought, though. If you already have a dehumidifier, do the calculations, run to see what it'll take to run off grid. And if you don't have one of these little taps right here on the back, if you don't have one of those, then it's very simple. You can buy one of these fittings. It's just a quick connect fitting, and all you do is drill it and tap it and put it in the front right here, and then you'd run your hose wherever you want to run it. That way you don't have to worry about draining that thing out all the time, taking that off. And it does have a filter on it, which is behind here, up here. This, it's hard to do one-handed, guys. This comes out, and then if you can see up there, it has a drain. And how it pumps it, I don't know. It's internal. And then the filter is just a little bitty nothing filter, so you're gonna have to really keep on that. But hey, just a thought, something to think about. If you would, please like and subscribe, and I'd appreciate it very much. And comment down below and let me know what you think. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye-bye.